My name is Anjali Nayak. I was a student at CHS Makers and I was preparing for CAT 24. And I have done engineering in my graduation from computer science engineering. And afterwards I joined Infosys and I've been working there for 4.5 years. And I have given CAT 24 this year and I have many calls. Every call except Ahmedabad and Calcutta, and I have converted most of it. And I will be joining. I am Bangalore this year. And if I talk about my experience at CH, so I would say like entire credit goes to CH for my selection. I joined here and I had no literally idea about CAT and also about the interview preparation. So every information and the guidance I have received from CH. So they have the structure like Ignite, then Accelerate, and Accelerate has Theta and Pi. So it has over 3 modules, 3 end-to-end course. Like they will cover the end-to-end course 3 times, and every time you will get the different faculty. So you have 3 different approach, 3 people explaining you the same topic with the 3 different approach. You understand the concept better. Also, if you find one of the approaches difficult and the other person's one is easy, so you have many options to solve your problems. So this was the one thing which was very helpful in my CAT journey. Apart from that, we had mock, and mock was conducted on the center. So the D-Day pressure we feel of the exam, that was cleared because we already had mock at the center organized by the CH. So it was one thing. Apart from that, they conduct many classes for the strategy before the CAT 10-15 days, and that is very important. If you have finalized your strategy, well and good. If you have not, then teacher will help you. This is the general thing you can follow, which will be helpful to ace the CAT exam. So I have done my CAT preparation here, and I have got so many calls. When it comes to the interview preparation, so Sandeep sir mainly prepared us for it. And for interview, what was my key takeaway was that you know yourself well, and you know each and every information in detail what you're sharing with them, because they will be asking questions on that only. So at CH, they tell you like each and everything in detail, from how to write introduction, what to write in introduction. You can have like one-on with the faculty, that what you are answering, how you are answering, what modification needs to be done. So that's how I prepared my introduction. Main basic question, you got the clarity. Now teacher also know what you are sharing and what image it will portray of you. So you are very confident in the interview that okay, all my information are verified by the psychologist and my mentor. So you are sure that okay, you are sharing the right information. So that's how we prepare. We prepare for the GDPI process. In GD, how we have to handle the person who is speaking very fast in so many points, how to grab that opportunity and present yourself, how to speak your point in a precise manner so you have a better content to share and also more opportunities to speak in the GD, how to prepare for the example. Everything was prepared. Everything was prepared, taught to us in CH in very detail. Each and every questions we can ask, and we are very prepared in the interview. So when you are this much prepared on the day of the interview, interviews are the cakewalk. You can just crack it. But yeah, preparation needs to be done. If you are really wanted to prepare and clear the CAT exam, also convert this many calls and get your dreams be school, I would strongly suggest to join CH. So my major thanks goes to Akash sir. He not only taught us the maths and the reasoning, how to deal situations in your life. He teach each and everything to us, how to handle the pressure, how to handle the people. If I have not cleared the CAT also this year, but I would have become a better person. Credit goes to Akash sir and the hard work he put us for us and the hard work he expect us to do. So very big thanks goes to Akash sir, and very big thanks goes to Ajit sir and the Sandeep sir. They were there for your entire interview preparation. They sit with you, they understand your motivation, they give you the guidance so that you are after clearing the CAT also you get exhausted so much. So there should be a someone you can share, your worries with. Okay, I'm not feeling very confident about the interview. This much is not done. Everything. So these two person are there for you with like each and every day, just a call away. You can call them, get your queries cleared. So these three person has played a very big role in achieving this success. A big thanks to all three mentors and the every and each faculty of the CHH Makers. Thank you, CH.